guys, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading power signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. We start with a balance of $500. The expiration time will be 1 minute. The indicators I will use are Ichimoku Cloud and ADX. Let's start trading. Open on one deal on currency pairs. Now we will open a deal to increase the price here. As you see that the price is above the cloud, plus DI also crossed the ADX line, minus DI is below the plus, and minus DI lines. I open the next currency pair. Here I also open a deal for an increase. In the price, the same picture is that plus DI is above the cloud. The uptrend was crossed and the price is above the cloud. The yellow moving average will also be crossed from the bottom up. Open the next deal. Here I will open a deal to reduce the price. Here I will also open a deal to reduce the price. The first deal, as we see, goes into plus. I continue trading. Here I can open a deal for an increase in the price because now we see there was a crossing of the plus DI line. It crossed the ADX and minus DI. We also had a moment of the yellow line from the bottom up, so now I expect an uptrend to move. We will continue here as we see the deal does not come in for us yet. Here we'll open a deal to reduce the price. As I see that minus DI crossed the ADX line, one deal does not enter. It's okay, we continue trading also on the basis of the moment, based on the fact that we have a price. The price is below our cloud. Here we can close our deal. So one more deal comes with us in the plus. Here I will open a deal definitely for an increase, as I see that there is a potential for a signal of an uptrend of intersection of plus DI lines, as well as the yellow line from bottom to top along the turquoise one. I also see that there is a signal for an upward trend. I will continue. Here I open a deal to reduce the price. Here one, as we see, does not enter, but we continue to trade. Here let's get together and open for an increase in the price. I want to cross the resistance level. I expect that a decline in price may begin, so I will wait for the deal to close and add more for a decrease in the price. And great, I can add after completion the price cut deal. So one more deal turns into a plus for us. And we successfully close one more deal with a plus. I will increase the amount and choose a suitable currency pair. Here we'll open a trade to reduce the price, because now, according to the sequence as well as the movement, I expect that there will be a decline as we have reached the resistance level from the uptrend. So now we are expected to close for a decline in the price. I will take another currency pair and open a trade. Here we can open also for a decline in the price, as I expect the impulse of the red candle. Now let's wait for our trade to close. As there is a significant signal, the deal goes into a plus. We expect the second deal to close. And we successfully close another trade. I will divide the amounts. Here we'll open for an increase in the price. I see high volatility. The price is under the cloud, but there is a potential for an increase in the price. We'll open several deals here at once. As we see the plus DI in intersection, I see a large shadow of a red candle. That is a shooting star, but I want to close the deal on the continuation of the green candle. As we see that the price is leaving the cloud, we see an upward movement along the turquoise line. The yellow line crossed the red one. We see that we have a direct covered signal to successfully close the deal. Let's now wait for the deal to close. So the first trade is successful, and another trade is also successful. We select a currency pair to continue, open 3 deals at once to reduce the price. As I see a great potential for a downward movement and overcome the support level on the trend and exceed the 25 mark by minus DI. EDX also tries to exceed the price to overreach. We see the beginning of a downward trend movement of the market. Let's wait for and let's wait for the deal to complete. And great closing deals. I'll go all in and open a few deals. I will open for a decrease in the price. As we see a shadow forming, the price also impulsively reached the resistance level. I expect the price to go down now. And so now we will wait for the impulse of the red candle. As we see, it's already forming, and we expect a downward movement. So let's wait for our trade to close. So So we successfully closed deals, demonstrated excellent trading, and in conclusion I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description, and nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching, bye bye!